right, here we go. Another caller for the evening, si Gigi. Gigi!
Papa Jack.
Uy, bakit how? Bakit po?
Wala lang.
Si Adi ko. Hi, Gigi!
Hello, Papa Jack.
48 ka na daw.
Tanda ako sa'yo. Nakakahiya.
Bakit naman? Ano ka ba? Ba't naman nakakahiya? Taga-Pasay ka?
Actually, nasa bahay ako nung friend ko.
Ah, talaga?
Ortigas ako, actually.
Okay. But tonight, you're in Pasay?
Yes.
Bakit? Naglayas ka? Nag-awal ka mag-asawa?
Hindi.
Ano? Anong ginagawa sa buhay ni Gigi?
Nagbi-business.
Uy, halika na ate. Halika na sa akin. Mag-food cart na tayo.
Ginawa ko na yan, Papa Jack.
Eh, baka hindi mo ginalingan. Kahit anong negosyo, tandaan nyo yan. Location.
Yes. Food
traffic. Kahit gaano kakagaling magnegosyo, pag walang dumadang, bibili kayong nganga.
Well, actually, Papa Jack, because of that food cart, medyo lumaki naman yung business. So, hindi naman lumaki, ha?
Natuto ka, di ba? You learned something from it.
Yes.
Alright. Anyways, what's your problem tonight, ate?
Actually, Papa Jack, biglaan lang yung tawag, eh.
Nag-trip ka lang? Adik pala to, eh. Joke lang.
Kasi, Papa Jack, alam ko na yung sasabihin mo, eh.
Pala naman, eh. Bakit pa na nag-uusap?
Alam kong sasabihin mo na, second to nothing.
Ano ba yun? Kaya nga muna, may asawa ka na ba?
Single, Papa Jack.
Single. Talaga. Ay, mga single, may problema pa rin, no? Kung kasing buhay meron tayo. Single ka, may problema ka pa rin.
May business pa, no?
Paano na lang yung mga double? Anyways. Tell me the story.
Actually, Papa Jack, okay naman kanina. Actually, the past few months or ano. Well, actually, wala namang problem except just a while ago. Parang pinagsakluban lang ba, no?
Bakit?
Kasi meron akong partner, actually.
Puro ka actually, bilangin ka, magumulpahin kita.
Meron partner.
Okay.
But we're not living in together.
Alright.
Okay naman kami. Kaya lang kanina nagpaalam siya na aalis.
Okay.
For a vacation.
Okay.
With a legit,
so kabit ka.
Alam ko na sasabihin mo, Papa Jack.
Kung ano pang una na sabihin ko sa'yo, ha? Kasi kung alam mo na, let's just go ahead and abandon this talk.
Yeah, but Papa Jack, for 16 years. 16 years na kami.
Okay.
No child. So, okay naman. Actually, sorry. So, 16 years. Wala namang malaking mga issue. Hindi naman kami kasi yung tipo na ako dependent sa kanya. Or yung talagang sa kanya lang nakatutok yung buhay, gano'n. Hindi naman. Actually, more on, siguro magkasundo lang sa maraming bagay. Gano'n. Pero parang kanina parang nagulat na ano lang ako. And siguro parang wake-up call. Ganon.
Alright.
Wala, masakit lang.
Ganito, okay.
Sayang kasi 16 years, but still, wala rin.
Let's talk about the bottom line. Okay? You've been a mistress for 16 years. Period. Tama?
Yes.
Okay. Are you here tonight to tell me na masama lang loob mo, or are you here to make a decision? Kasi kung masama lang loob mo, ate, I would just like to go ahead and talk to another caller.
Make a decision.
Alright. You know exactly what I'm going to tell you.
Alam mo yun.
For 16 years, niloloko niyo yung asawa niya, right?
Yes.
For 16 years, you are 48 years old, for crying out loud. For 16 years, Gigi, you've allowed yourself to be treated like a second best.
Yes.
It's an admission that it is all that you have, and it's all that you can ever be in life in the past 16 years, which I doubt is true. there's more to life than being a mistress, right?
Yes. And totoo yan, Papa Jack. Kaya ang sabi ko kanina, di ba, parang wake up call. Yun, parang gusto ko lang na kasi kahit na I have lots of friends, I have circle of friends, pero hindi naman kasi ako ganun yun naka-open.
Well, because mahihiya kang aminin yan sa kanila.
Yes. Although, syempre, some of my friends, kilala siya, pero yun nga. So, ngayon...
Influential ba tong taong to?
Ha?
Influential?
Hindi naman, pero... professional siya. I mean...
For 16 years, hindi alam na asawa niya to?
Hindi. Because hindi naman kami, Papa Jack, yung sobrang discreet, kumbaga.
Oh yeah, but 16 years is 16 years.
And hindi kami everyday nagkikita.
It doesn't matter, ate. It does not invalidate na dahil hindi ka nakikita araw-araw, di ba, it makes it a lesser evil, di ba? It doesn't work that way, right?
Yes.
Okay. What? Kasi di ba, if you've been together for 16 years, dapat manhid ka na. What hurt you today? Munti ka na mag-actually, no?
Lately.
Nabilaw siya. Nabilawakan siya.
Lately naman, pinag-iisipan ko na wala, lagi din naman nangihingi ng stories sa taas. So, ang lagi ko lang sinasabi.
What hurt you today? That's my one. Kasi,
yun nga.
You know, you've been together for 16 years. So, I'm sure lahat ng angulo na pag-awayan nyo na. Isa't kalahating dekada. Today must be a different day for you. Ano meron? Bakit bigla?
Yun nga, nung nagpaalam siya kanina na they're leaving, parang...
Leaving for what? Abroad?
Yes. Vacation lang, just for...
Is this the first time?
No.
They've been out of the country before?
Yes.
All right.
But with the kids, but this time, just the two of them. Which, alam ko namang wala naman akong K, di ba, na actually wala naman akong K magalit or what. Siyempre, masakit lang. So, parang, I just want to talk to somebody na other than my friends because nga hindi ko naman ito na-open sa kanila.
Alright, let's talk about logistics.
And yun nga, sabi ko kanina, after we talk, talagang I prayed, sabi ko, I think this is it.
Did you tell him that?
Nung nag-uusap kami, nung nagpaalam siya, sabi ko, sige na, may gagawin pa ako. So, tapos, kasi siya kasi hindi nakikipag-argue. I mean, hindi siya yung palalakihin yung issue. Siguro that's the reason bakit din kami tumagal. Ganun. Pinapaantay yung kung kailan maghuhupa. Kasi wala naman kami talagang pinag-aawayan malaking issue eh. Walang... Basta parang we live by the day. Tawanan lang kung may chance magkausap. Because we're both busy naman eh. Siguro
I don't know what to tell you. But obviously, ate, tonight, let me just capitalize. Magka-capitalize na rin ako dun sa sama ng loob mo. You are 48, di ba? You are 48, ulitin ko, 48 years old for crying out loud. Baka naman, ate, ba pwedeng ito na yung turning point?
Exactly.
Sana naman, di ba? Let's talk about logistics, ate. If you quit yung katangahan na yan, ate, it's been happening for 16 years. Can you handle the life that you have right now without him having, di ba, without having him in the picture?
Yes.
Are you dependent sa kanya?
No.
So what? What made you stay for 16 years?
Dependent.
Siya lang bang lalaki sa mundong ito? Ay puto.
Dependent because when it comes to financially, totally no.
Ano?
More on the, anbawa, meron akong mga major decisions.
Oh, come on. You want someone to guide you through major decision? Come to my booth. Every time you need to come up with, ayuhan kita. if that's the only, the only thing that I will give you a sensible one. Maybe I will pretend it's more sensible than what he can give you. Believe me. Magpapanggap na ako. I am not sure, Gigi, kung totoo yan, ang magagawa ko na maayos, pero sige na, aakuin ko na just for you to get rid of him. Pala ate. Kasi normally, pag ganito kasi hindi makahiwalay, real talk na lang tayo. Financial to eh. Pero sabi you're telling me ate, hindi naman. Tama?
Yes.
Ano to, tanga ka lang talaga?
Siguro. Oo.
Congratulations. Diba, finally, we figured out what you are. And you are tanga.
Papa Jack.
Oh, ano yun?
The past, although masaya naman, pero the past, siguro, itong year na to, especially early this year.
Okay.
Nagkaroon na rin naman ako ng, I have decided, pero siguro...
Well, let's not talk about that. Alam mo kung bakit? You did not decide. You thought you could decide, but you didn't, right?
No, gusto ko lang ipaalam, Papa Jack, kasi you mentioned kanina na kung kaya ko without him, di ba? So, siguro, kasi for 4 months, napigilan ko yung sarili ko na hindi ka usapin, no communication, I went abroad, yung ganon.
I'm sorry, brother, no? But honestly, Brad tuloy, Gigi, I'm sorry, but it doesn't count. Why? Nagbalik ka pa rin eh. Tama?
Yes.
Alam mo, if looking at it from his vantage point, maliwanag na sasabihin niya, hindi niya kaya. Pinakatiis, bumalik. You are going to be 50 years old soon. Let me reiterate that and make an overemphasis to that. You are going to be 50 years old soon. Baka gusto mong irigala sa sarili mo, di ba, on your golden year sa mundong ito, ate, yung katinuan ng pagiging babae mo. Baka lang gusto mo, ha, Gigi, ha?
Papa Jack, matino naman ako, kaya lang ito lang siguro.
Excuse me, hindi ka matino. Huwag kang gago sa akin, ha? Matino, sapakin kita dyan, matino, sampaling kita ng alpombra dyan, eh. Matino, kabit ka for 16 years? Anong katinuan mo? Panguyain kita ng keyboard, tatak, Logitech, mamahalin to, loko.
Kaya nga, Papa Jack, pinakikinig ako sa'yo, tapos ganyan sinasabi ko. Aray ko.
Diba? You've been a mistress for 16 years, ate. Diba? For so many nights, ate, you could have deserved for someone to be holding you all night long when it's cold, but where was he? Somewhere, diba, holding the legit wife. I mean, there you go. Nagtitiis ka na kung kailan kanya maalala. You wasted 16 years of your life to realize or finally come to your senses and realize na you deserve so much more. You are 40, 48, ano ba yan? "48 years old, let me emphasize that. 48, magsi 50 ka na, uray tamtumanan. Mangibabain ka na yan. Alagraman si ka niya. Pagiging kaya mo tibiyag mo ay. Kaya mo nga sakalatan. Kadindindakan na ka no. Awan mapapanan na. Mangibabain ka na eh. Nag-gets mo sinabi ko?
Hindi ko nag-gets, pero I'm sure.
Sabi ko lang, yak. Yun lang. Ang haba. Ganun pala sa Ilocano, ang haba, yak lang pala. Yak.
Parang sa mga Japanese ang haba-haba pero simple lang.
Maganda ka, no?
Hindi.
Sorry, ha? He kept you around for 16 years. He must be so attracted to you. Lalaki ako, ate, ha? I mean, I'm trying to figure it out. Bakit, di ba? Why keep a mistress for 16 years? Di ba? Maliwanag na attracted sa yan.
Kasi Papa Jack, we were office mates before pa. Even before, actually kasi
well,
single pa siya. Naging kami.
I'm sorry, but none of those reasons would make sense to me now. It doesn't even matter. Please.
Yeah, I know.
16 years.
I know.
Halika, mag-inom tayo ngayon.
Gusto ko nga eh.
Ay, magtuba-address tayo. Vitamilk lang.
Gusto ko nga eh.
Vitamilk lang. Ano ba? Ang palagay mo naman natin. Ano yan?
No, actually hindi naman ako inom. I don't drink.
Oh, nakikinig mo si Junjun, puti ambal. Nakikinig siya ngayon, no? Sa ano? Sabi ni Onyot Cadano, tampalin ka daw nila.
Papa Jack, ano lang naman, actually gusto ko lang naman din kasi siguro because ayoko nang umiyak, kaya siguro gusto kong may kausap lang.
Ano bang iyak mo, ate? Di ba hindi ka ba sanay? 460. Oh my God. You have wasted your life with the wrong person. Who am I to judge, ate, yung buhay mo? Di ba? But maybe at some point you can agree with me that you have wasted your life with the wrong person. You can go ahead and tell me, ate, oh, he made me so happy. But is it all that you deserve from someone? Is that all that you deserve?
No.
Huh?
No.
16 years. Oh my God. I cannot fathom it. Oh yeah, you can.
Oo.
Alam mo yung fathom?
Yeah.
Yung fathom, yung nanay ng bibi. Pathom pala yun, sorry.
Kapag mga jargon words mo.
Fathom, marurok. Diba? Oo.
Baka hindi ko maintindihan yung mga jargon words.
Jargon? Wow. Alam niyo yung jargon. It's like, another term for highfalutin.
Highfalutin words.
Oh, diba? Si ate, may eksena kasi yumabang sa words.
Mataw na baka dumugo ilong ko.
Diba? Sometimes when people mention a word to me and it's jargon or highfalutin, I go topsy-turvy. O, tako. Ano yan?
Kaya nga sabi ko baka dumugo eh.
Ay, nako. You are here to make a decision.
Yeah, I have decided.
Alright. What would entail, ate, na makipagwalay ka sa kanya? What would entail that? Changing residence?
No, I have my own path.
I have my own pad. Yaman. And?
For 16 years, well, hindi naman 16 years. Never ko siyang pinaakyat doon.
Alright, it will be a lot easier. Okay. So, ibig sabihin ito, you can just very well go ahead and say goodbye at madaling execute, right? I will support you, ate. I will support you like my favorite candidate on an election day. Alright? I am behind you in this. I support you completely. But whatever amount of support I can give you, ate, it will never matter if you do not execute your decisions properly. For symbolic lang naman, okay? I want you to go ahead, say sorry, thank you, and goodbye. Sa lalaking to. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Parang ayaw mo I mean, if you're not sure, ate, kung magkaka-IQsan lang tayo dito, kunwari, say sorry, thank you, and goodbye ka, but after their trip abroad, you'll go back to being the mistress for another, or I don't know, 10 years of your life. Let's just abandon this call. Tapos na to. I mean, are you really sure you wanna do this?
Yes.
May sumpa ang show na to.
Yes.
Pag hindi mo ito ginawa, at itatarak ko sa manikang itim yung pangako mo, at kapag hindi mo nagawa, magmumukhang sisig yung anas mo. Pag hindi mo lang ginawa, so gawin mo na, parang di bang parang awa mo na po, please. No? Alright?
Okay.
Sorry kung ganito ako magpayo sa Gigi kasi you told me na kapag decide ka na. Just to give voice to the decision, I wanna hear you tell everyone nakikinig sa atin that it's really over. And I completely support you in this. As your friend, I am proud that you finally you're finally making a decision, ate. and looking after yourself, just yourself. Okay?
Okay.
All right. I want you to say sorry, thank you, and goodbye. What's the first name of this guy?
Roy.
Stupid guy. All right. Go ahead, Roy.
Roy. Sorry. Sorry, nauna pa sila Papa Jack makaalam na I'm putting an end to our 16 years relationship. Thank you kasi yung 16 years na yan, naging masaya ako. Lahat ng major decisions ko, sa ibang bagay, but not on financial, and I have work, I am busy, so I hope madali ako makarecover.
No, the past 16 years, diba, you can easily describe that as average year, no? Years of your life. Tama? Naging masaya ka naman. Tama na? Tama ba, te?
Yes.
Kaya lang, ate, if you can stay faithful, ate, or dedicated sa taong who made you second best in the past 16 years, what could have happened kung halimbawa you have dedicated your life to someone more deserving than him? It could have been a lot happier life, right?
Yes.
But guess what? He's the news. It doesn't matter because it's never too late to fall in love again, or maybe not, to find yourself and give importance, to yourself the way you deserve importance. It's just about time for you to go ahead and, be a hobo in this world after finding true love. Alam mo hobo, ate?
No.
Yung hubad. Hubo pala yung sabi. A hobo is a wanderer. Diba? Oh, well, I did not mean that literally, ate, but I'm saying, go ahead and wander and find yourself. In the process, I wish and pray you find someone who can make you feel you are the most beautiful girl in the world. You deserve that. I don't know what to tell you. Kasi alam mo, Gigi, you made the decisions already. Tama?
Yes.
You have made the decision already. So wala nang dapat pang nito sabihin sa'yo. Maybe all I can just tell you is, I believe you can execute your plans. Sana.
Alam mo kanina, Papa Jack, when I prayed,
Lakasan mo.
kanina,
Oh,
when I prayed after we talked,
okay.
ang nasabi ko lang, thank you kasi wala naman akong paulit-ulit na dinadasal kundi manghingi ng sorry, and then at the same time, kung magkakahiwalay kami, walang eksena.
For 16 years, ano? You've been praying the same prayers, ano?
Yeah.
You've been saying sorry to the same stupid mistakes you've been doing.
Ayun. Kaya sabi ko, mabait pa rin kasi pinagbigyan ako dun sa second ano ko na kung magkakahiwalay kami, hindi dahil nagkaroon ng eksena between,
16 years in the making. Good luck to you, Ate.
sad.
Huh? I'm actually happy for you. Finally. You're gonna get what you deserve in life. Your very own relationship with yourself. More than anything. Okay?
Yeah.
Cheers to that, Ate. Cheers to the brand new life, and cheers, Ate, to the new you.
Enchante.
Diba? Cheers, Ate, to resisting his calls, his texts. Diba?
Sabi ko nga, Papa Jack, natanggalin ko na yung number. Pero syempre,
Wag, Ate, walang point yan. Pag tinawag, ganun pa rin yan. What? Sorry, Ate, but I just like to know. What kept you in the loop, Ate? Sex?
no naman.
But is it a big part of it?
No.
Really?
Yes.
But do you do it good? I want to know. Kasi, at some point, that's irresistible. If you do it good, I don't know. I haven't been there, Chos. But, I'm just asking. Is it not a good one?
For 16 years, hindi naman agad-agad. Siguro after 10 years pa nga bago may nangyaring gano'n. So, I can't say na...
Well, let's pray na maniniwala ka sa hindi naman.
Hindi, totoo.
Whatever. Come on.
Promise.
Whatever.
Naging issue na lang.
Whatever. You cannot make me believe that.
Naging issue na lang.
Come on. Stop it. Not me. Iba na lang. Sisap na lang lokohin mo. Wag ako.
Well,
Wag ako. I'm a guy. I will not keep a mistress for 10 years. Wala nangyayari sa amin.
naging issue nga kaya may nangyari.
Stop it. No. Whatever. I don't believe it.
Up to you.
Well, then again, it's up to me. Oo nga naman, it's up to me pala. Thank you. Gulo na. Good luck.
Siguro yung kaya sabi mo what kept us for dahil yung pag nag-uusap lang, parang
You are intellectually aroused every time.
major decision about work. Siguro, Papa Jack, mas yung tanong mong may dependent ako. More on the decision making. Nasanay na lang ako na lahat nakakonsult. So, yun.
You crying?
What? Kanina.
Okay.
Immediately after he told me the news.
Okay. Ang apelyido ba ng lalaki ito ay starts with letter E?
E?
Yeah?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Why? What made you think that his
Did you just lie to me?
What?
Did you just lie to me?
No.
Okay.
Sobrang layo.
All right. Are they traveling because it's their 16th wedding anniversary?
16th anniversary of the two of us?
No, sila. Ang asawa niya.
No.
Why are they traveling somewhere? Are you really 48?
Yes.
Okay.
And he's older than me.
Okay. Because someone is sending me PMs right now, claiming to be the wife of the guy that you were talking about.
I don't think so. Maybe she's wrong or he's wrong. We're so discreet about it. Alam mo, Papa Jack, even if we went on date, yung mga hindi naman kami yung sweetie-sweetie.
Speak louder.
Hindi kami yung sweetie-sweetie naglalakad. Actually, ako pa nga yung nasa likod kasi I made sure na pag may nakita siya.
So the guy is younger than you or older than you?
Older.
Okay. All right. I'll stop from there.
Anyway.
All right. I'm intrigued.
You're laughing at me.
No, I'm intrigued that because someone is claiming to be the wife of the guy.
I'm 100% sure. Mali siya.
Okay. Well, whatever it is, I wish you that, diba, the courage to execute your plans of finally saying goodbye.
Oo nga, bilis siguro. Kasi lately, nag-iisip-isip naman talaga na ako.
Saan ba sila pupunta ng bansa?
Ha?
What country are they going to?
Malaysia lang naman.
Malaysia. Ano si Tatay Digong ngayon, ha? No?
Oo nga, kakadinig ko lang nung speech.
Ando ng tatay, ha? Nasa Malaysia sa ngayon.
Kakadinig ko nga lang nung speech niya.
Anyways, Ate, thank you very much for calling the show. I've got nothing more to tell you because you made a decision. I completely support you with that, so...
Actually, siguro Papa Jack, naghanap na ako ng kausap.
Hey, maybe you're just looking for someone to tell you, yes, I believe you can do it, so let me be that guy. I believe you can do it. Alright?
Yes. Yes, I know I can.
Of course. Don't worry, you're not going to evaporate. You can.
Are you sure?
If you evaporate, then mapapawasan sa kabit sa mundo.
Bawas na nga ngayon pa lang, even
Alright.
if I don't evaporate.
Salamat sa pagtawag then.
Okay.
God bless and bye-bye.
Thank you.
Magbago ka na, kakamuti na kita ng blade, ha?
Papa Jack, huwag ka muna mag-comment, ha? Sasakay muna ako ng sasakyan.
Bakit?
Eh, wala pa ako sa kotse, eh. Anong kung magko-comment ka pa?
I don't know. Anyways, God bless you. Bye-bye.
Bye, Papa Jack. Thank you very much.